现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and this is a song called Sweet Snowflakes, or Tian Meke Shefa. It is by Chen Weiru. It's his first Hakka language song that actually won him a gold at the Tongue Blossom Music Competition and kicked off, of course, his Hakka language music career. Now, the song is about a serenade, using music and his guitar to win a girl's heart. So let's take a listen to it.
漫步在如同发景，你都好清醒。我唱个树当个什么，让爱有汹涌的心情。记得跳一百看到你，草地树下不懂爱，希望有人也走的。经历改变呀，白白的有童话，像甜蜜的雪花，有些话不敢讲，怕希望会泡汤，好想要告诉他，我真的喜欢他。让爱情盛开，让爱情盛开吧。
哇，爱情盛开了，就像甜蜜的雪花一样，甜美给雪花，这就是陈伟如的作品哦。他是在这个描述在童话步道上面遇到一个女孩，要追求对方，然后用吉他弹唱来赢得女孩的芳心哦。我们继续来收听甜美给雪花。
草地树下不懂爱，希望有人也走的，经历改变呀，白白的有童话，像甜蜜的雪花，有些话不敢讲，怕希望会泡汤，好想要告诉他，我真的喜欢他，让爱情盛开，让爱情盛开吧。
这首《甜蜜的雪花》呢，是陈伟如第一首客语作品哦，也是我们 ICRT 第一次介绍他的作品给大家。而他透过这首歌鼓励大家勇敢追爱。Very good. That does for today's Hakka song on ICRT. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.